Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mission 5, Lesson 6, where today our student objective is to decompose fractions using area models to show equivalence. So we're just taking a little step further from our previous lesson, where now it's going to tell us that, hey, we want you to show that these two fractions are equal. So let's take a look at an example on how you do that using an area model. So I pulled this example from the Tower of Power. And where it asks us to draw an area model to show the decomposition represented by 2/3 equals 4/6. So what it wants us to do, basically, we want to prove that 2/3 equals 4/6. Okay, so first we want to make 2/3, and we're just going to use, I'm just going to draw it in. I'm not actually on the tower right now, but I have these tools. I took a picture. So we want to show again that 2/3 equals 4/6. That is our goal. Because they are equal, but we want to show it. Okay. So first, I want to make it I have to make 2/3 first. So what I'm going to do, I have to split it into how many total pieces? 3 total pieces. Okay, 3 total pieces because thirds tells me 3. And then how many of those do I need to shade? Well, I need to shade 2 of them because it is 2/3. So let's see what I can come up with here. What color do you want? This, yeah, let's go with this tealy looking thing here. Okay, and I'm gonna shade, I didn't want to do that. That's messy. Let's try that again. All right, we're just gonna color this in here. Right, if I'm doing this, you know it's shaded. Okay, I'm not gonna color the whole thing in. I'm gonna make it look like this, squiggles. Okay, so I have 2/3 here because I had 3 total, and my numerator is 2, so I shaded 2 of them. Okay, now I need to decompose this, which means break it down, to show that 2/3 can actually be the same thing as 4/6. And I'm going to do this using horizontal lines. Okay, so my horizontal, remember, that means this way. So I'm going to split this, break it down until I get sixths. So I'm starting with thirds, and I want to get sixths. So how many lines do I need to draw? How many new rows do I need to make? I just need to make 1. I need to split this right down the middle. Okay. Now, how many total pieces do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By making that one line, I decompose thirds into sixths. All right. Now, how many are shaded? How many of those sixths are now shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/6, right? So look, 2/3 is equal to 4/6. They're the same thing. Because you have to imagine it, if you had a candy bar, right? If you had a candy bar, if it was split up into 2/3, you would get this much. If you split up into 4/6, you're just breaking it up into smaller pieces, but you would still get now 4 of those 6 pieces. So you're still going to get the same amount. Okay. So today what you're working on is just drawing those lines to really show that. Okay. Now, just so we're clear, it might ask you to say, okay, well, 1/3 is equal to how many then sixths? Well, 1/3 was equal to how many sixths made up the, let's say if we even ask like 1/3 equal to how many sixths? Well, let's look then. I started off with 1/3. One of those was shaded, right? When I split it, now it's 2/6. Just so we're clear on that, right? That's 2/6, 2/6, 2/6 right here. Okay. So this is what we're working on today, just decomposing by drawing those lines. Okay, that's the main idea for this lesson. Okay, good luck.